Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Mike's Mini Motors. So this is going to be just a fairly quick episode. We're going to be installing some bar end mirrors on Brandon's Ruckus because he hadn't had any mirrors yet, and what we were using was just a stock Ruckus one, which is big and goofy looking for this kind of bike. So these are the ones that Brandon picked up from Amazon.
Oh yeah, actually.
From Amazon. They look almost like the same ones I have on my bike. And we'll show you how to put them in, and should be really simple because
cut and go.
Yep. All right, let's get right to it. All right, so first thing we gotta do is get the actual bar end mounts installed in there, and to do that, we gotta cut a hole in our grips because right now the grips are solid on the end, and this needs to go through it. So we'll just take the razor knife that Brandon's got in his hand and cut these open. All right, so we got the bar ends on. They were fairly easy.
Fairly, yeah, we did.
The part that when you screw this in, it flares out a metal collar, and that's how they stay in. And the metal collar just wasn't wanting to flare with us trying to hold it in place. So I used my little vise I got here and held it and kind of pre-flared the metals and put it back in, and now we're good to go.
Good to go.
Now the rest is really easy. All we got is just the mirror. It just goes on here, clamp it on, and just tighten it down, and then adjust it to how you want. And you can have them, you can see that they're offset from the hole, so you can have them come up or down, and then this arm also adjusts that you can have it wherever you prefer.
Yep.
All right, there you go. That's as easy as these things are to put on. The hardest part was just getting that metal collar to flare.
Yep.
But now we got them in there, and Brandon just needs to adjust them.
Yep.
But yeah, like I know me personally, I like the bar end mirrors better than the stock mirrors, just because Stalk, S-T-A-L-K.
Whatever, it looks stupid.
they look goofy in my opinion, yeah, and so I like these here. And I will go ahead and put a link in the description, so if anyone wants to pick these up, they were fairly cheap, weren't they, Brandon?
Yeah, they're like $18 or something
yeah,
like that.
so $18 for some nice bar end mirrors. And yeah, we're gonna go and wrap it up. Go ahead and like the video if you like what we're doing. Leave us a comment and subscribe if you haven't. And with that, see you guys next time.